In front of me is VIVO V60 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can connect it using Bluetooth. First of all, go into Settings and tap on Bluetooth right away. Now use this switcher at the top right corner if it's not already on, and wait for available devices to show. When they do, click on the one you wanna connect to. Then wait for the pop-up to show up. Quick tip though, if you are trying to connect to another smartphone or a tablet, you will need to accept connection request manually on the second device. Just something to keep in mind. Anyway, tap on your device, wait for the pop-up, click on this icon next to also allow access to contacts and call history to enable or disable this option, and when you're ready, hit pair. Now wait for the other device to accept your connection request. As you can see, my devices were successfully connected. To disconnect them, use this gear right next to your device and manage this connection by hitting connect if you wanna reconnect to, for example, a speaker. Manage those switches if you want to enable or disable those options. And lastly, hit forget. Then confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!